Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good day everyone. In this video I will introduce the Project Digital Assessment Tool, or simply the PRODAT. PRODAT is a single platform which can be used by the faculty members to record the scores of FYP students for all type of FYP assessment activities. So you can use the same tool to record the scores of presentation or for FYP proposal or FYP thesis. So for all type of FYP assessment activities you can use the same tool to record their scores, and the same tool can be used by any type of evaluator. An external examiner can use it, an internal examiner or a FYP supervisor. All of these three types of evaluators can use the same tool to record the FYP scores. Another property of the tool is that it ensures the privacy of the evaluator's marks as well. That is, each evaluator will now only be able to review and edit the FYP scores of his own assigned groups. So he will not be able to access the scores of any other evaluator, nor he will be able to change the scores of any other evaluator. And this form will also disallow submission of results after the deadlines. Now, how to access the tool? So this is the link which will be shared with you through the WhatsApp group and through the emails as well. So simply copy and paste this link into your browser. And that will ask you to make a local copy of this tool in your Google Drive folder. So make sure that when you are doing this operation, so you are logged into the Google account through your UET Peshawar email ID, so that the copy is saved in your Google account, Google Drive, which is associated with the UET Peshawar email ID. So let's make a copy of that. I have already signed in to my UET Peshawar email Google account. So it will make a copy of that in the Google Drive, and this is the FYP assessment tool, or PRODAT. Now, in order to use this tool, you first of all have to select your evaluator's role. So whether you are acting as a supervisor or an internal examiner or an external examiner, you have to select the corresponding role. So let's say I am acting as a supervisor and I would like to enter the scores of the FYP groups which are assigned to me, and then you have to select the name of the evaluator. So I will select my own name. Now let's say if I am interested to see the scores of any other evaluator, so the software or the tool will automatically not allow me to move forward at this stage. So it will prevent me looking into and reviewing the scores of any other evaluators. So I will not be able to move forward at this stage. So I can only access the scores of the groups which are assigned to me. So after entering your role and your name, then this sheet will inform you how many groups you are evaluating as a supervisor, and what are the group IDs, FYP group IDs of those two groups. So here you can see that I am supervising two groups with group IDs 25 and 26. Automatically, the group information for the first group, which is group number 25, will be displayed over here. Let's say you are only interested to change or update or review the FYP scores of any other group, let's say group number 26. So you can simply select the other group ID from the drop down list. So let's say first of all I'm interested to enter the scores for the group number 25 for the 7th semester FYP assessment activity. And which assessment activity? So in the 7th semester, as a supervisor, I have to submit two assessments for the students, which are the FYP presentation and FYP work progress. So let's say I'm first of all interested to enter the scores for the presentation, and then I can enter the scores for the students. So let's say I give them 6 marks. Now I have entered the scores for the students. Now entering the scores in this sheet will not ensure that your results are also saved in the result sheet. In order to save these scores in the result sheet, which is present in the coordinator office, you have to update this result, and that can be done by first of all opening the control panel. When you click on the open control panel for the first time, the software or the tool will ask you for your authorization to use the script. So you have to authorize it through your UET Peshawar email ID. You have to click on allow. So now you have authorized it to run the scripts, and then you have to click the open control button again, and that will display the three command buttons: the search command button, the next command button, and update command button. At this stage I am interested to update these new scores into the result sheet, so I will simply click on the update button. Once I will click on the update button, it will ask for my permission. Do you want to update the data? Yes. And once the results are successfully updated or saved in the result sheet, which is present in the coordinator office, you will get a message successfully updated. If you don't get this message, it means the results are not saved. So only entering the numbers over here will not ensure that your results are also saved in the result sheet. So now these results are saved. Let's say I am also interested to enter and save the results for the other groups. I can simply click on the next button. So it will display the information on the group details of the second group number 26. I will now enter the scores. Let me write down 9. Okay, so I entered number not between 0 and 10, so that's why I got a error message. So again, click on the update button because I want to update the result. It will ask for my permission. Click on yes. Okay, the results are now successfully updated in the result sheets. Now let's say I am now interested to review the results of, let's say, group number 25, that what are the results or what are the scores which are already saved in the result sheet in the coordinator office for the group number 25. So I will select the group number from here and I will click on the search button. So now it will display the scores of the group number 25 for the 7th semester presentation. So these are the scores of that group. As you can recall that we have entered scores 6 for group number 25. Similarly, you can also enter the scores for the work progress as well, or for any other assessment activity in here, and then you can repeat the same process and update the results over here. So that's all about the PRODAT tool, which you can use to enter the scores of the FYP students. Thank you very much.